44 Weird Ways Students Make Money. Here are 44 weird ways to make money. Owl handling, it's a thing. Clinical trial, I got paid to give them my poo. Selling taxidermy I have made myself. Had to wander around a music festival dressed as a cleaner and occasionally play the violin in the portaloos. Selling my dirty underwear to a stranger, I had to ejaculate into them after wearing them for a day. Submitted a video of my dog skateboarding for a free $5. Being dressed as a pancake. Helping someone who lied about having a friend to other people and faking being this friend. Food quality testing. Made about £7 for around 2 hours of eating food and filling out paid surveys. I spent my first year summer matched vetting. Babysitting a pet snake. I had an app from Ipsos Mori which tracked my app and internet usage on my phone and tablet. Although not for everyone, I didn't find it too strange at first. But then I realized the app placed a parental lock on my browsers which I couldn't get rid of, and I couldn't look up anything remotely adult-themed. Vaccinating fish. Took part in a research study where I had to look at disturbing images and say how I felt. Selling toilet roll tubes on eBay. Eaten an olive for £10. I used to be on a site where someone could rent you to be their friend for a day. It was a very weird experience, but I got better pay than I expected. Sending foot pics to a guy with a foot fetish in exchange for money. I sold my hair. Took part in a study about daydreaming at uni. I ate a worm for a tenner once. Having to transport a full-size plastic horse on top of my car. I hired my dog out as a stud. He's only had one job so far, might put him up on Gumtree? Buying Bitcoin and selling some. Volunteering for a medical survey that involved cutting a small muscle from my thigh. Sucked my friend's dill for £100. Selling a toaster to other students. My friend once bet me £5 I wouldn't bite into a lemon segment and hold it in my mouth for a minute. Spending time sitting in a fridge in a patient's gown as part of a clinical trial. Got paid £20 to pretend that I was smoking some guy's cigarette because he was meant to have quit smoking and his friends were about to come over and see him. Copying stock market traders. Picking slugs out of watercress. Confidence coaching, basically fake dates to help shy people. Being an extra for a commercial. I pick a horse's field. The pay is good. Walking around a warehouse for 60 minutes in a circuit to train motion sensor equipment. Buying a course book on eBay and selling back to the uni shop for a profit. I had to be a burp for an online kids TV program and got paid £10. Wearing a billboard on my high street. I once rented my room for a night to someone online, as they were in the city for a night to see a rugby game. Was paid around £20 to be a patient, with students repeatedly putting me in an arm's length. Was paid to take part in a study about anxiety, which made my anxiety worse. Delivering takeaways at weekends with Deliveroo.